Facebook Payout account setup. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, make sure you've already installed the Facebook app and logged into your main account. Go to your profile page, tap the three-dot icon next to your name, and choose Turn on Professional Mode. Follow the on-screen steps to activate it. This may include selecting your content category and reviewing a few setup options. Now, set your audience to public so that your content can be visible for monetization by a wider audience. You will then be introduced to monetization features. Just keep tapping Next until the setup is complete. You can choose a profile frame for a professional touch to show you're now a creator, or simply skip it if you prefer a cleaner look. Once finished, return to your profile and tap Professional Dashboard to access more detailed tools. In this section, go to the monetization menu to view all available earning features. Here, Facebook will show you all the eligibility requirements for features like stars and subscriptions. This includes reaching a certain number of followers, total watch time, and video views. If you're eligible, you can proceed to link your Payout account and submit your payment details securely. Simple as that, your Facebook Payout account setup is now successfully completed.